In our news, flash floods experienced during the 2022 to 2023 rainy season have negatively affected the provision of clean, safe drinking water and proper sanitation due to contamination. The contamination of tap and underground water poses serious risk to waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. And National Water Supply and Sanitation Council Public Relations and Communications Manager Mpunga Chipepo Simukwai has appealed to the consumers to desist from accessing water from shallow wells and other unsafe sources. Favourite Kalando has filed in this report.
Removing water from his flooded house has become a routine every after a heavy downpour. He does this activity until the water levels recede, and this is the situation in many parts of Lusaka.
Yakazula kujayabwira kumanyumba. Look at it now. Mine shistizadwala makolera are we not going to be affected because the water is coming from the dam side, coming here, and we have children, and this is a rainy season, as you can see, and we are prone to waterborne diseases.
Flash floods are triggering fear of disease outbreak due to water contamination, as some toilets are near water sources. This poses a huge burden on water utilities in addressing both on-site and off-site sanitation management. Other residents who are affected by floods are calling on authorities to intervene.
If you want, you can call the media. There is nothing else I can do. I'm suffering. For the past what kind of way
manzi kuna yango ngena manyumba tilina bana era pa bantu matoilet azula manzi akanga kutititira mu toilet then bimanzi bingo toka panja matoilet onse azula so bingo zola chebe manzi then manzi ngena mu manyumba ma blanket anana maunga anana matoilet fonse pale ka fresh nika so sizira boma moyo mtatitandizira chipemba ko boma chianganepo bakansera silaziva baMP silaziva bakali nkombo kwa mulili please bakali nkombo tapempa nwa please manzi akumwa makao na katangi katakane kaone kapaja ndiye manzi anetikumba garu ilikwane bakuna manzi shuwa.
Shamba Muzungu is Lusaka Water and Sanitation Company Public Relations Manager.
We have pit latrines in most of these communities in the city of Lusaka. In the peri-urban areas of Lusaka, we have 90% of the people in those areas using pit latrines. And when you have floods, that is not a good situation for sanitation because you have people interacting with fecal matter on the surface, and you understand the health repercussions of that. So that is why, as a utility, in an effort to address some of these issues, we have embarked on this project under the Lusaka Sanitation Program, which is aimed at migrating people from the old traditional pit latrines to improved toilets where there is provision.
National Water Supply and Sanitation Council Public Relations Manager Mpunga Chipepo Simukwai wants consumers to desist from accessing water from shallow wells and from unsafe sources.
And also we appeal to our partners, our the people that we work with in this sector, the local authorities who are mandated to look at this aspect as well, to ensure that the shallow wells should be buried because they are a threat. And now, because we are in the rainy season and the rainy season have come and the floods have really been quite bad on the country, the impact has been felt, is really to ensure as much as possible can the consumers go to sources where you are very certain that your water is treated. If you are in doubt for whatever reason, you feel the water from the kiosk may not be safe, which shouldn't be the case. We encourage our customers to put chlorine in their water. We encourage our customers to boil their drinking water to avert waterborne diseases.
Mike Imposha is Minister of Water Development and Sanitation.
So you may treat water with the chlorine, the germs are killed, but because of the floods, okay, there's high turbidity in the water, which continuously gives it the brownish color than the normal color we are used to. My appeal to the people is that during this time, we must treat the water we are consuming. Use chlorine. If you don't have chlorine, try to boil the water. So this we must get you.
Favourite Chisi, QTV News.